Hey everyone, and welcome to how to transfer NFTs from OpenSea. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Now the first thing you need to do is to log in into your account, and then you want to go over to this icon in the top right and click on Profile. You'll then be sent over to this page, and now you'll want to go over to Collected and select the NFT you would like to transfer. So once you've found the NFT you would like to transfer, you just need to go over to the three dots in the bottom left and click on them. You'll then see this pop up, and now you want to click on Transfer. So once you have selected all of the NFTs you would like to transfer, you can then just go ahead and click on Transfer in the bottom right. You will then see the quantity. In this case I'll go ahead and transfer 3 of my NFTs, and you'll then see the address you need to transfer to. However, please be aware that not all addresses or all crypto exchanges does support NFTs. So for example, I would like to transfer from OpenSea to Trust Wallet, and this is my Trust Wallet address. However, when I go over to Trust Wallet, I'll see that you can only send Ethereum to this address. Sending any other coins may result in permanent loss. And as you can see, when I go back over to this icon right here, you'll see that my NFT runs on the blockchain Polygon. So that's not Ethereum. So if I was to transfer my NFT from OpenSea to Trust Wallet, I would lose my NFT. So please double check if the exchange you're trying to transfer to does actually support the NFTs and the blockchain you would like to use. Now also, just a quick note, you're not actually transferring from OpenSea, you're transferring your NFT from the wallet OpenSea is connected to. So in this case, that's MetaMask, because as you can see, my MetaMask is connected to OpenSea. So when I go ahead and transfer my NFT, I will transfer my NFT from my MetaMask wallet to my Trust wallet. If you've still got any questions left at all, please ask me in the comments down below, so I can help you out. If you found this video helpful, let me know by leaving a like or subscribing to my channel for more tutorials about cryptocurrencies.